Welcome to our comparison of the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X and the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. Today, we'll dive into the specifications, performance, and value of these two powerful processors. The Ryzen 7 5800X features 8 cores and 16 threads, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and gaming. On the other hand, the Ryzen 5 5600X, with its 6 cores and 12 threads, offers excellent performance at a more affordable price. Let's explore their differences and similarities to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to performance, the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X shines with its 8 cores and 16 threads, providing exceptional gaming performance and multitasking capabilities. It boasts a base clock of 3.8 GHz and can boost up to 4.7 GHz, making it ideal for demanding applications. In contrast, the Ryzen 5 5600X, with its 6 cores and 12 threads, offers impressive performance for gaming at 1080p and 1440p, with a base clock of 3.7 GHz and a boost clock of 4.6 GHz. While the Ryzen 7 is better suited for heavy workloads, the Ryzen 5 provides excellent value for gamers on a budget. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two processors. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is priced at $449, reflecting its high performance and capabilities. However, for those on a budget, the Ryzen 5 5600X comes in at a more affordable $309, making it a great choice for gamers and casual users who still want solid performance without breaking the bank. This price difference is crucial for many consumers, especially when considering the overall value each processor offers. Another important aspect to consider is the cooling solutions provided with each processor. The Ryzen 7 5800X does not come with a cooler, which means you will need to invest in a high-performance aftermarket cooler to ensure optimal performance and temperature management. In contrast, the Ryzen 5 5600X includes a Wraith Stealth cooler, which is sufficient for most users and provides a cost-effective solution for cooling. This can be a deciding factor for those who want a complete package without additional expenses. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X and the Ryzen 5 5600X have their strengths and weaknesses. The Ryzen 7 is perfect for users who require maximum performance for gaming and multitasking, while the Ryzen 5 offers excellent value for those on a budget. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either processor could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.